Make 7-layer taco dip. The 7-layer taco dip is actually an offshoot of the famous 7-layer dip. What makes the taco version unique is the addition of taco seasonings to one of the layers. Plus, this recipe uses more Mexican-inspired ingredients to complement the taco flavor. This also has its many versions, but what makes a 7-layer dip a 7-layer taco dip is the taco flavor. Below are some of the best 7-layer taco dip recipes that you can try. Traditional 7-layer taco dip: mix together a pack of taco seasoning mix and a can of refried beans in a bowl. After mixing, spread the ingredients on a big and deep platter. Mix 8 ounces or 1 pack of cream cheese and 16 ounces or 1 container of sour cream. Spread this mixture on the taco beans mixture. Top it with 1 jar of salsa and then a layer of chopped tomatoes, green bell pepper chunks, chopped green onions, shredded lettuce, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, and lastly, a can of sliced black olives. Layering will be faster and easier if you chop the tomatoes, green bell pepper, onions, and lettuce first. 7-layer taco dip version 1. This version uses scallions and guacamole, which are uncommon in the traditional or basic 7-layer taco dip. Here's how to prepare this first version. Prepare the salsa and colander. Let the colander sit in a bowl or sink. Pour a bottle of salsa over the colander. Let the liquid to drain out for about 15 minutes. Most taco dips are runny, and by draining the liquid, you prevent this recipe from being too runny. Mix the sour cream and the taco seasoning mix. While waiting for the liquid to drain out, mix these 2 ingredients in a separate bowl. Add the cream and the taco seasoning mix. Deliberately add the taco seasoning pack into a container of sour cream. Taste the mixture from time to time. Add more taco seasoning mix until the mixture has achieved your desired blend. Spread the layers of taco dip. Put on a cup or can of refried beans first and then add the drained salsa and guacamole. Add the sour cream and taco seasoning mixture. Spread a layer of chopped olives and then shredded cheese. Top it off with chopped scallions. You too can make your own version of 7-layer taco dip. You may leave out some ingredients and replace them with other layers. Tomatoes, black olives, cheese, and onions are common layers. These are not necessary for this recipe. Just make sure that you will always include the sour cream mixed with taco seasoning. This is an important layer that makes this dip a taco dip. Also, Try to use a glass or wooden container when making 7-layer dip recipes. Other materials, especially the metal-made ones, tend to react on the ingredients. The simple reaction can dramatically affect the taste. Don't forget to serve this 7-layer taco dip with some corn chips. You may chill the dip, too, before serving. Some people like it more when cold. Enjoy.